So we come here at Nature's Emporium in Newmarket. We are celebrating our beauty night, so a holistic approach to beauty. Tonight we have several different things happening. We have makeup applications, as you can see behind me. We have informative seminars upstairs going from conventional to natural approach. We have food demos and health and beauty demos. Come and join us.
Natural Beauty Night, and we are sampling these lovely mocktails that feature our cold pressed juices, and we also have specialty lattes from our juice bar. We're having an amazing night tonight, and we hope you can come check us out.
Hi, my name is Bahar. I'm at Nature's Emporium in Newmarket, and I'm making a foot scrub and hand scrub with essential oils and sea salt. You scrub your feet twice a week with this mixture, and then you rinse it with warm water, and then you use a moisturizer to have very soft feet.
Super great line, non-GMO, vegan, cruelty-free, and I recommend.
We are teaching customers how to apply makeup and naturally work with their skincare, the regimen, as well as what to take care of, what to pay attention to, and what little beauty hacks and tips we have going on here that we've learned over the years. We have clean makeup, and we are celebrating a lot of very good brands that are in support of us here tonight.
The reason why it's so important to choose natural products to use on your skin, remember that your skin is an organ that basically drinks what you put on like a sponge, and so what you put on gets in. Make sure that you come to Nature's Emporium to speak with the esthetician or consultant here. They will help you to pick the best product for your skin.